how to turn off updates from friends, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off SMS, how to turn off updates from friends, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click the three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, notifications, and now this one here, updates from friends, and here just click this one, SMS, if you want to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.